Hi there friends, welcome back to AI Kids. Today we are taking a deep dive into the fascinating evolution of artificial intelligence. So today we are learning about AI since we learned about grammar in the last session. AI has transformed from simple rule-based systems to the groundbreaking technologies we see today. Buckle up because we are going on a journey through time, exploring how AI started, where it stumbled, and the incredible heights it has reached. Let's get started. So our story begins in the 1950s, a time when the idea of machines mimicking human intelligence seemed like a pure science fiction. But in 1956, at the Dartmouth workshop, AI was born as a field of study. Scientists like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon laid the foundation for what would become a technological revolution. The early days of AI were filled with optimism. Researchers developed programs capable of solving algebra problems and playing simple games like tic-tac-toe. One of the first big milestones came in 1959 when Arthur Samuel created a checkers playing program that could learn from its mistakes. It was a glimpse into the potential of AI, but not everything was soothsaying. Fast forward to the 1990s and early 2000s, AI research shifted its focus from rule-based systems to machine learning, where instead of being explicitly programmed, computers learn from patterns from data. This approach changed everything. One of the first big wins for this new wave of AI came in 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It was a moment that made the world take AI seriously again. Deep Blue didn't think like a human. It calculated millions of possible moves per second. But it showed the power of brute force computation combined with smart algorithms. In 2010s, AI entered a new era. Deep learning provided by neural networks. This technology mimicked the way the human brain processes information. It required massive amounts of data and computational power, both of which became available thanks to the internet and advancements in hardware. This is where AI started to truly shine. In 2012, a neural network developed by Geoffrey Hinton's team won the ImageNet competition, reducing error rates in image recognition by a staggering margin. Suddenly, AI wasn't just smart, it was accurate. And then came AlphaGo, OpenAI's GPT models, and DALL-E, pushing the boundaries of what AI could do. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI's rise hasn't been without controversy. From biases in algorithms to fears about job displacement, AI poses serious challenges. These are the issues we must address if AI is to benefit everyone. It's not just about making smarter machines, it's about creating systems that are fair, transparent, and ethical. So what's next for AI? Researchers are now working toward artificial general intelligence, a system that can perform any intellectual task a human can. While we're still far from that, the possibilities are endless. But as exciting as the future is, it's up to us to ensure that AI is developed responsibly. After all, the goal isn't just to create intelligent machines, it's to make the world as a better place. From its humble beginnings in the 1950s to the cutting-edge technologies of today, AI has become a long way. It's a journey filled with triumphs, setbacks, and lessons that continue to shape our world. What do you think the next big breakthrough in AI will be? Let me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into tech and AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next grammar video.